How to complete Legion Fealty 3. Go to Revenant, type /join Revenant. Click this NPC, then choose Legion Fealty 3. How to get this hooded Legion cowl, type /underworld. Go to Shop, then choose Legion Shop, and find the hooded Legion cowl worth 500,000 gold. How to get a Legion token in the easiest and fastest way, go to Legion Arena, type / and join Legion Arena. Click this NPC, then Quest, and choose First Class Entertainment. You need to defeat this Legion Fiend Rider until the quest is completed. How to get Dage's favor, type / join Evil War Dage. Defeat this monster, they drop a Dage favor until 300 times. How to get the emblem of Dage, type / join Shadow Blast. Click this NPC, then Quest, and choose Legion Recruits. The Dark Path waits. Defeat this monster until they drop the Legion Seal and Gem Mystery. How to get Diamond of Token of Dage, type / Shadow Blast. Click this NPC again, then Quest, choose Loyalty Legion Rewarded. How to complete quest Loyalty Legion Rewarded. First is go to Citadel. Defeat this Makai 25 times or more. Next is Blood Titan Blade, type / join Blood Titan. Next is Fluffy's Bones, type / join D Flesson. Next is Red Dragon's Fang, type / join Lair. Next is Karnak's Eye, type / join AQ lesson. Next is Cthulhu Tentacle, type /join deep chaos. How to get Dark Token, type /join Seraphic Wardage. Click this NPC then quest. Choose Seraphic Metals and Mega Seraphic Metals. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share for more videos.